Hello everyone, I'm Tuesday FX. Hope you are doing fine. Hope you are doing good. As you can see right here, this is the aftermath of the gold that I sold yesterday. And why did I sell this gold? I sold gold because of my strategy has signaled me already that gold is going to fall. And how did it signal me? This is it. I explained it earlier in the video. As you can see right here, you can see the crossover right here. I'm sorry, this is where the crossover happened. The crossover happened here yesterday. When the crossover happened, I put my stop loss just above this parabolic SAR. So I'm positive that the market, if it traces like it did here, it will not touch my stop loss because it is a sure downtrend, as you can see. And at the same moment, as you can see right here, my RSI is reading below 50. So I knew gold was going to fall. So I left the market overnight. And when I did, this is the result. I doubled this capital. You can see $165 profit. I doubled the capital, still falling. So this strategy, that is the combination of parabolic SAR and EMAs and the RSI, is a very strong strategy that has been paying off for me since I started using it. And as you can see, now I'm going to close this trade if the parabolic SAR that you are seeing on the screen right now, if it forms below the price of the market, and when it does, there's a crossover, that is this red moving average crosses above the blue moving average. It means gold wants to go up. Probably the market wants to retrace. So I'll definitely close and take my profit before I lose a lot or lose from my profit. So that is how the strategy works. You take your profit when there's a crossover. You go to your small time frame. Once you see there's a crossover, this is 5 minutes time frame. Once there's a crossover, that is this particular moving average, this red one crosses above the blue one. This red one is the 10 period EMA, and this is the 20 period EMA. So once there's a parabolic SAR forming below price, probably at this point, and when it did, there's a crossover happened between these two moving averages. That is, the red one is above the blue one. That is signaling as a possibility of an uptrend. Now I've been studying a particular market, US30. Yes, and yes. I'm going to sell US30 because of what I can see right here. I'm going to sell US30. As you can see, crossover happened here, and market is gradually falling, and I expect the market to fall very well. So I'm going to sell US30 right now. What is not enough money? Let me reduce the lot size. 0.0 should do. Not enough money. 0.01 should do. Yes. 0.0. Yes, okay. Now I expect this market, this US30, I expect it to fall. So now I'll be putting my stop loss here at the top of the parabolic SAR. This is where I'm putting my stop loss. So I don't expect markets to come to this point. So I'm putting my stop loss at 33.486. $33.486. 3486.0. $33,486. As you can see, I have my stop loss at the top of that parabolic SAR. So market is definitely not coming to that point. sure of it. And now as you can see, now as I explained, this my signal is this my strategy is a very strong and reliable strategy. It's usually 4 markets. As you can see, this is 15 minutes time frame. On 15 minutes time frame as well, crossover has really happened there, so the market should fall. It's definitely going to fall. Now let me show you another examples of my strategy playing out. As you can see right here, look right, this is USD 15 minutes time frame. This is a parabolic gapped up, and when it gapped up, there's a crossover downwards. As you can see, the market fell, as you can see. And also pounds dollar, look at it right here, parabolic cell formed at the top, and when it did formed, as you can see again, there's a crossover. The red moving average crossed below the blue moving average, as you can see. And also there was a big fall on BTC days ago, as you can see. Let's go to 30 minutes. As you can see, BTC, yes, look at the big fall happened days ago. As you can see right here, see the parabolic right here, and look at the crossover. You can see right here, look how BTC fall. So if you are using 15 or 5 minutes time frame, before this big candle, you will have made a lot of profit. Before this big candle, you would have been in the market, set your stop loss. I'm waiting for the market to fall. As you can see, look how BTC fell days ago. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame and see. Kindly hold on. Yes, this is it. So if I had seen this particular market, if I had focused on BTC, if I had thought probably it will fall, I would sell. Using my strategy, I would sell at this point after this candle, because after this candle, you can see right here, the crossover happened. And when the crossover happened, I'm going to sell and set my stop loss just at the top of the parabolic side here, and see, I would have made profit from this particular market. But as you know, in forex, there are a lot of opportunities in markets. You can make a lot of profit from the market, a lot of trades to make profit from. So if you miss out on a particular market, you are still going to make profit on other markets. So as you can see, my strategy is a very reliable strategy. As you can see, US30 fell eventually. As you can see the fall. So I had to close my gold. I closed gold because it has gotten to a certain support. I closed it, so I left the other one. But fortunately, or fortunately, and which one, but still falling, gold is still falling. So but I closed one of it and I entered US30 again, 0.01. So I'm in profit. So what I want to show you guys is right here. As you can see, the market didn't come to my stop loss as per US30, but as you can see right here, the crossover happened. I showed you guys earlier, and it fell. I'm in profit. That I really love this strategy. It's very reliable. And look at gold as well. It's been falling since yesterday. Look at it. Now I said, this is, you can see right here. You can see. Now I said about gold that I'm going to close my gold trade if the parabolic star is below this spot, is below my the price, and there's a crossover between these two moving averages. But I decided to close one because it has got to a certain support. So I thought the market was might reverse, so I closed one of it and left the other one. So I guess I should have left by the trade. I would have been in more profit, but it's okay. It's not bad. So I just want to show you guys. As you can see, US30 is still falling, just 5 minutes time frame. As you can see, and the way the market is closing on 30 minutes time frame, it's very positive that it will fall more. So you can see, thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.